Really hot. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's delicious! And welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight, we're going to be making a dish that always makes you feel good. That's right, we're going to be making Mamma Gallo's chicken soup. It's delicious, it's easy. Stay tuned. It's time. It's that time to taste this with Frank Gallo. Mama's Easy Chicken Soup. Here we go. Really hot. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's delicious! Incredible! Mamma Gallo's Easy Chicken Soup. You're gonna love it. Try it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed tonight's episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo, Mamma Gallo's Easy Chicken Soup. I need you to hit that like button. I need you to subscribe to my channel so that I can keep on bringing you all of Mamma Gallo's great recipes. Thank you very much. And most important of all, I love you, Mama. Rest in peace. I miss you and I think about you every single minute of the day.